Hey there, future scholars. Today, we're diving into some super cool stuff that will help you become an even better reader and writer. Are you ready? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about writing informative or explanatory texts. That might sound fancy, but it's all about explaining something in a way that others can understand. When you write, start by clearly introducing your topic. Think of it like telling a story, but instead of characters and adventures, you're sharing facts and ideas. Group related information together in paragraphs or sections, just like you would organize your toys into different bins. Use headings or pictures to make your writing easier to understand. For example, if you're writing about sharks, you might have one section called Where Sharks Live and another called What Sharks Eat. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to use facts, details, and even quotes to make your writing interesting and informative. And at the end, wrap it all up with a strong conclusion, like tying a bow on a present. Next, let's talk about explaining events, procedures, ideas, or concepts, especially in historical, scientific, or technical texts. When you read about something that happened, like an important event in history or a science experiment, it's important to understand not just what happened, but why it happened. Think about it like this. If you're baking a cake, first you mix the ingredients, that's what happened. But why did you do that? So the cake will rise and taste delicious. When you read, try to find those why answers in the text. And don't forget, always look for specific details in the text that help you explain what happened and why. Those details are like the sprinkles on top. They make your explanation even better. Now, what if you come across a word you don't know? No worries. You can use the context or the words and sentences around it to figure out what it means. Let's say you see the word arid. What does that mean? Look at the rest of the sentence. The arid desert was so dry that no plants could grow. Arid must mean dry because it describes the desert where no plants can grow. Using context clues is like being a detective. You're searching for hints that help you solve the mystery of the word's meaning. So, there you have it. Remember, when you're writing, group your ideas and explain them clearly. When you're reading, look for the what and why in events and concepts, and use context clues to understand tricky words. You've got all the tools you need to be a reading and writing superstar. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep having fun with your learning. Until next time, happy reading and writing.